This film basically is about there is somebody for everybody in this world. I mean, if it does not work out with the one relationship, okay, that does not mean that you're going to live the rest of your life without anybody. There is somebody there waiting for you at some point and things will work out for you.
मेरा कैरेक्टर एक ऐसी लड़की का है जो आज की लड़की का कैरेक्टर आई एम प्लेइंग, दैट शी वांट्स टू वर्क, शी वांट्स टू स्टैंड अप ऑन हर ओन फीट. वो खुद मतलब कमाना चाहती है, जैसे कि आजकल हम सब लड़कियां जो हमारी एज ग्रुप की है, हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हम लोग खुद काम करें और जल्दी शादी भी नहीं करना चाहते, बिकॉज वी फील दैट वी शुड डू समथिंग ऑन आवर ओन सो दैट वी प्रूव टू आवरसेल्व्स दैट वी आर वर्थ समथिंग. तो मेरा कैरेक्टर भी ऐसा ही है कि शी वांट्स टू आल्सो गेट मैरिड एट द सेम टाइम. ऐसा भी नहीं कि शी डजंट वांट टू गेट मैरिड, बट शी आल्सो वांट्स टू वर्क, शी वांट्स टू हैव अ करियर ऑफ हर ओन. And when she falls in love, like she doesn't even realize that the person who she's fallen in love with, she's not marrying, she's marrying somebody else.
This film is not about this is the hero and that is the villain and this is, you know, these are character artists. Everybody is playing their part, everybody is a character artist in this film. There's no preference given to Salman Khan or Jackie Shroff, you know, there's nothing like that, Rani Mukherjee, anybody. Everybody is, it's like basically when you're at home, okay, you may be a big star outside, but when you come home, there's prominence to everybody. You know, your mother, your father, your sister, everybody is equal. So that is what we've tried to basically convey in this movie, that the family is there.
It is not a remake, it is a straight story. It is like, it's just like happens every day, everywhere, in your neighborhood. It resembles. It has the identification.
Murli, as far as Indian emotions are concerned, he's one of the best directors that we have. जो उनके पास जो Indian emotion की पकड़ है, I don't think anybody has got that. He's brilliant with them. You saw Bandhan, and there's Anari, and for him, this film was a great challenge because it's a modern film. It's not a like Dehati Gaon ka film. It's a very modern film, and in that film, he's got out so much of emotion and so much of happiness and joy and so much of positivity in this film. It's unreal.
मुरली जी बहुत ही अच्छे डायरेक्टर है. ही इज़ वेरी स्वीट नेचर्ड. उनको लैंग्वेज थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज ही डजंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक हिंदी, बट द वे ही डायरेक्ट्स अ हिंदी फिल्म, इट्स लाइक अमेजिंग. बिकॉज आई फील दैट इफ़ यू डोंट हैव कमांड ओवर द लैंग्वेज, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू एन एंटायर फिल्म, क्योंकि हिंदी पिक्चर करने के लिए वो लैंग्वेज स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए. बट मुरली जी हैज़ प्रूव्ड दैट विदाउट नोइंग द लैंग्वेज so well, he can really direct a very good film.
मुरली साहब के साथ ये मेरी दूसरी पिक्चर है. पहली बंधन के बाद ये, और ये सेम टीम है नरेंद्र बजाज साहब, श्याम बजाज जी, मेरे पुराने मित्र भी, और 2 पिक्चरों में काम किया हूँ.
It was very good to work with. So was Jackie Dada, so was Manish, so was she, and so was Rani. They were all great.
Everyone. Even Shakti Kapoor was
Oh
brilliant,
yes,
very,
we were
very
all like a
funny.
family, and
And we're sad that it's over now.
Yeah.
Jackie, fantastic. Pooja Batra is very good. Kashmira Shah, who's playing my sister in the movie, is brilliant. Monish is a highlight. Everybody, as far as performances are concerned, everybody is good in the film. Shakti Kapoor. We had such a good time making this film that nobody was acting. किसी ने कोई performance या you know how people try to overshadow so कि ये मेरी lines है, ये मेरी lighting, ये मेरा facing है. No one was doing that. The atmosphere itself was like a family there, and everybody is playing their roles, you know. And because we all liked each other, so it comes across on screen.
म्यूज़िक तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, जैसे आप लोग सब मतलब सुन रहे हैं अभी. एंड पर्सनली मुझे इस फिल्म का पूरा एल्बम बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इफ़ यू टेक द टाइटल सॉन्ग कहीं प्यार ना हो जाए, इट्स वेरी मेलोडियस. देन देयर सवरिया ओ सवरिया व्हिच इज़ अ स्टेट सॉन्ग, दैट्स ऑल्सो लॉट ऑफ फन. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दैट सॉन्ग वाज कि हमने वो गाना एक दिन में किया. तो इट इज़ मोर फन बिकॉज रिहर्सल किया था एक साथ, एंड इट्स ग्रेट फन बिकॉज वी ऑल आर देयर. हम लोग सब एक साथ उस गाने में हैं.
This guy is a musician in the film, and so he goes for weddings and he sings at weddings and parties and stuff like that. So out here he's kept a small function for children, and it's a kind of flashback song to show that how their lives used to be so happy and everybody used to be together, and now that one person is not going to be there in their lives and is going to go somewhere else. So that is one moment that he cherishes of the past.
Every film is a challenge and every film is an experience. But this film now, what I'm doing, it is more of a love story, a family story, and there is a good comedy into it. Mostly, I think I'm known for much of a commercial film. This film is entirely youthful and lighter.
Kahin Pyar Na Ho Jaye is an extension of what friends do for each other, how they help each other when they want to go and work, or if they are in some kind of turmoil or whatever. Basically, it's showing how there's love between these 6 people, and which is shown very
evident,
nicely
very
in this
nicely.
film.
I mean, there's family too, but they behave like friends too.
Yeah,
you know?
it's
There's
friends,
no
friends,
tension in the
friends.
house. There's no tension in the entire film. You know, you want to be one of the friends. You want to be one of the family member.
It's just it's just about 6 people. They show how 6 people live in, let's say, neighborhood, and how close they are. It's their story.
Yeah.
सलमान खान है को-स्टार, वो भी अपना पुराना बच्चा दोस्त है, मतलब सालों से जानता हूँ मैं उसको. He's a very close friend of mine. Now there's Rani is there with him. I like her hell of a lot. She also I know since a long time. बाकी पूजा बत्रा जी खूबसूरत, very attractive और खूबसूरत रोल भी कर रही है. एक बावला का रोल कर रही है, पागल सी लड़की है. मैं उससे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ और वो मुझे घासी नहीं डालती, वो हीरोइन बनना चाहती है.
And I want to add that our producers were excellent, Narendra ji and Shyamji. They were very sweet, very understanding
Very cooperative.
people. Very cooperative.
Very simple.
Yeah, very simple, and absolutely amazing people to work with.